Hello violins, this is Mr. Dugal, and today we're going to learn about the music staff and the violin notes. Here's the music staff that we see. Right here is the symbol called the G clef, and it's also called the treble clef. The reason why it's called the G clef is because the G note here is on the line that intersects with the circle of the G clef. The area to the right of the clef symbol is called the key signature. As a beginning violinist, you would see two sharps which look like pound signs. The first sharp we see is the F sharp, and the symbol is always on the top line of the staff. The high F sharp here is the first finger on the E string, but the lower F sharp, which is the one you mostly play, is on the bottom space and is the second finger on the D string. The next sharp is C sharp, which is on the third space from the bottom of the staff. This note is the second finger on the A string. Both these notes, the F sharp and the C sharp, are part of the D scale, which is the first scale you will learn. To the right of the key signature is the time signature. This tells us how to play the music, and its symbol is a fraction. The top number means how many beats there are in the measure, in this case 4 beats per measure. The bottom number means what type of note gets 1 beat. The number 4 means a quarter note, so we have 4 beats per measure and 4 quarter notes. Most beginning music is in 4/4 time, and you could also see 3/4 time and 2/4 time. Let's talk about the musical alphabet going up one note at a time. If I start on the note A right here, I would go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then I put this rectangle here to show you that we start again on A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then we go back to A. Now let's talk about the musical alphabet going down one note at a time. If I was on the high A here, then I have to go backwards in the alphabet, and now I have to start with G again. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now we have to start again. G, F, E, D, C, B, A, and the low open G string. Now I'd like to show you a great internet resource where you can learn and memorize all the notes on the lines and spaces. You can go to www.violin.school.nz, and the NZ stands for New Zealand. Now we're on the website of the Manuka Youth Orchestra, created by a man named Joseph Allen. It first starts out with just the D and the A string. You have to select which one you think it is, and then it will expand to the G string and also the E string. So let's review those strings first. Here's a review of the violin strings: the G string, D string, A string, and E string. So now start playing the game. First we have the open strings, that's the A string. Then we have the D string. If I make a wrong selection, it will turn red and show me the correct answer. This is such a great tool to learn the notes on the lines and spaces, and will help you sight read and play your music much better. Good luck.